Welcome back! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create professional spreadsheets using WPS Office, making the process fast, easy, and effective so that you can feel at ease with your work. Before we start, click the link in the description to download and try out WPS Office Pro Suite for free and unlock all the advanced features. Step 1. Open WPS Spreadsheets. Launch WPS Office and select WPS Spreadsheets from the home screen. Step 2. Choose a template or start blank. From the home screen, you can either start with a blank spreadsheet or pick from WPS's wide range of professional templates designed for budgets, reports, schedules, and more. Step 3. Format your data. WPS supports all the key Excel-compatible formulas like sum, average, if, VLOOKUP, and more. These help turn your spreadsheet into a powerful tool for analysis. Step 4. Use functions and formulas. To make your spreadsheet powerful, apply formulas like sum, average, if, VLOOKUP, and more. WPS Spreadsheets is fully compatible with Excel formulas, so you can work just like you would in Microsoft Excel. Step 5. Add charts and visuals. Highlight your data and insert charts or graphs to visualize your information. Choose from bar, pie, line, and more to give your spreadsheet a polished, professional look. Step 6. Save and share. When you're done, save your spreadsheet in multiple formats, including Excel and PDF, for easy sharing and collaboration. WPS Office's sharing and collaboration features make it simple to work with others on your spreadsheets. And that's it. With WPS Office, creating professional, clean, and powerful spreadsheets is quick and straightforward. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try WPS Office Pro Suite for free today. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials right here on the channel. And make sure to watch our next video, How to Edit PDF Files with WPS PDF. It's on screen right now. Thanks for watching.